To summon dogs, we will use. What can we use to call cats? 1. This is the sound of a mother cat calling her babies. When the kittens hear this, they will immediately run at obediently. 2. This is the kitten's urgent cry for help. It is simply a cat trap. It is especially effective for mother cats. 3. When the cats hear this, they will immediately rush to you. The louder the sound, the better the effect. It is said that the cat's reaction to hearing this is, "Oh my god, you can talk." 4.99% of cats will run over excitedly when they hear this, thinking that you are one of their kind. So, what is your cat's reaction to hearing this?